There we go. Well, Aatrox being a derp. It's not what swords do.
Let me hit myself in the head with a sword.
He soiled it. Yeah, we have the one Quinn skin, the one Garen skin, and then Aatrox. You fail us. Blinder. Misser. Pew. There you go.
I'm gonna do an early gang bot.
Yeah, okay. I'll try and push up then, get my power spike at level 2. If I can.
After I do my wolves, let them go back a little bit. Let them push back.
Oh, okay. Brahm's going kind of ham though. I do need a little bit of CS. That's maybe we can. We're gonna get a little bit of poke off on Vayne. I'm thinking.
There's Salvatore.
Yeah. That's terrible. No. Okay, that's not good. Get him, Braum. Nice Q. Idiot.
First blood.
No! Yes! No! If I had my E just a tad bit earlier, I could have vaulted away from Alistar and gotten away. If I only had my E. In fact, that would have gone a lot smoother if I took E first. I'm an idiot. Should I get Dagger first, or just go back with them? Nah, I'll just go back. Good thing Cat got first blood, because I think Vayne would have got first blood had that not happened. Go, Aatrox! Well, you done messed up.
Believe it or not, that little jumping in lane real fast helps me a lot because that XP is really so cool.
Yeah, I know. As a Ka main in jungle, after I do my Gromp, Wolves, and Raptors, I just sit in mid lane, heal off my W, and it helps just way more than it should. It's crazy. Because I get a lot of health back.
You're in Jack's jungle. Holy crap, didn't even realize that.
Oh no. Jack's jungle's actually pretty good. Like, I'm not a fan of it. Do not want.
Katarina's doing really well.
Yeah, she got first blood. Oh no. Dying. No. Then get back here. You fiend. Aha! Got her. Oh no. I have a feel. Oh. Well played, Allie. Well played. That was funny. I got Vayne though. ADC. T. I'll max my E first, actually. Or my blind. Should I max my blind or my E first?
No idea.
Oh, Mirror don't help at all. Braum! Should I max Q or E first?
Dang it, Katarina. I was coming in for that gank.
Dang it. Okay. Okay, at least Katarina has something to say. I'll max Q then, it's a good blind. I have the Woad Scout skin too, because I play Quinn a lot. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, gotta love it as a jungler when there's an easy kill, but your whatever laner doesn't cooperate.
Yeah, ping dog's going in.
I gotta get
Aatrox is on the way.
I might get best friend sword first gank. Or first back, I mean.
You call it the best friend sword? I call it the boyfriend sword.
Alistar is camping that bush pretty hard. Bush Wookie.
the nigga.
Oh, no, Jack's Arena. I'm gonna die here. That's not fun. Holy cow. The frickin' permas. Wow. Alistar Vayne combo OP. Both got major pushbacks. Like, wow. Got my BF sword though. Katarina, do something. Ha! That Katarina is OP though.
I knew that whenever Echo didn't run away from her ult, he was gonna die.
Didn't even bother. It's just like, guys, I got this. I'm gonna get her. Ow. 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 Ow, ow, ow.
Once I hit 6, I'm about to freaking wreck that Vayne and what's his face.
Bro, yeah. We're gonna need a gank here if Jackson's
Yeah.
doing what I think he is.
I'm gonna come gank, I'm gonna recall, I'm gonna get dragged. Unless we get a double kill bot.
Blind! Blind! No! Oh, burned all their summoners. That's good.
I have my passive. Oh wait, no, they have a ward here. Dang it.
If I had my ultimate, then I could have got Vayne there, because Quinn ultimate's OP. Initiate bird mode. Which is why we need a Mecha Quinn skin, so Valor can be a jet.
Fine meal for the sharks.
Ooh, good job, Garen.
Mate, please. Nine! Okay. Good team. Got a lot of CS though, which is awesome. I love CS. Oh, on my way. Didn't realize we were doing dragon. I am the ignorant.
Aatrox life still OP.
I am the ignorant bot laner. What do you max first on Aatrox?
They got a knack for dying.
Kinda out of mana as the blue up. Get on me with blue.
Idiot Heckram.
Help! Okay. I'll just back them. I don't care. Get my cloaky. I don't normally play ADC because I thought I was bad at it, but then I realized it's really not that hard. All I gotta do is outplay 2 people.
So glad about Aatrox. It was between Aatrox and Rek'Sai that I was gonna buy.
I got Rek'Sai covered. Don't worry about it. Rek'Sai has pretty. Rek'Sai has a pretty low win rate, but I tend to be good with her, regardless of what I do.
How long have you been playing for?
Just League in general or Rek'Sai?
League.
The end of season 3, I think.
I just started back in October. It was like the end of season 4.
Yeah. I might have been like early season 4. Maybe, I'm not sure.
That's making an example.
That's how fast I can kill a Vayne. Not gonna try and go any faster, I might hurt myself. Oh my god, they're explaining Call of Duty in chat. Or quickscoping.
Turret destroyed.
I like Brahm's description. Fed Quinn his aids.
Yeah, I put him some food in his bowl. Like 20 minutes ago. Oh, cool.
Tactical nuke inbound. It's over. That was
It's
the.
so hard to freaking gank.
Yeah, he is, because just like Scion, if he doesn't want to die, just nope, 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 nope. Right to his base. It's like the ultimate nope champion. That might be the fastest I've won bot lane. 10 minutes. Speedy Gonzalez. Kill her. No. Nah, it's fine. It's fine. Come down. Just not gonna let Vayne see us ever if I'm here.
Sometimes I swear that bird is just showing off. What do you see up there?
No, stop farming. You're not allowed. Bad. Oh, here comes somebody.
Put them in their place. Got yourself a pair.
Nice.
Oh, here comes Echo. It's gonna eat me. It's gonna eat me. It's gonna eat me.
Kill. They didn't see that
Nice.
coming.
This in more, please.
This Braum is awesome. Alright, got my IE and boots in one back.
Just farming it up. Just farming it up.
No, nope, Vayne, you're not allowed to farm. You aren't allowed. Get back here, dang it. I think Alistar just gave up. I don't know where he's at. He hasn't been in bot for a long time. Did he just convert to mid? I have 86 CS compared to Vayne's 54. La Quinn Snowball. Vayne's MIA. Not that it's really that threatening, just thought I'd let you know.
Oh my god, that Echo just freaking me that Echo 1v1 and he's got wrecked.
It's kinda sad. Get out of the lane, fool!
Look at that Garen.
Simply does not care. No! Vayne, you troll. Vayne, you troll. This is another steamroll game. You didn't even need to camp me, I'm just...
Yeah, no, I've just been trying to farm a Valor. About to go get dragged.
Hey, there's a Hecarim. Yo! Buddy, no! Yo. No. Bad pony.
Turret destroyed.
Hecarim forgot I was fed. It's not something you want to forget with Quinn. Either she's absolutely terrible, or she's fed. Completely fed.
Turret destroyed.
It's a big difference, though. Am I gonna get legendary? I hope I do. If I don't, I'll cry. I will legitimately cry.
Your team slain the dragon.
Got dragged in too.
Circle! Sakai!
Them overboard.
I'm O, O, and O.
That takes skill. I'm gonna get a red buff.
Farming a
Yay,
lot.
me.
Forgot about my wing.
Look what Katarina just said.
Thanks, sister. My sister got me Wendy's.
Your sister's pretty awesome.
GG.
Sometimes I swear that bird is just
I'm
showing
8-2. So that's pretty good, I think. Been filming this whole time. It's like whenever I film, I just destroy games.
find me a path.
It's amazing. What is Vayne building? She's still beating Blade of the Ruined King, but I beat her by like 2 items. The half. I'm here. Hi. Hello, Katarina. Oh, I wanted that same. I wanted this, yes. 13 versus 3. Whoa. There's something there. Blinder. Blinder.
Buy me some time.
That's my favorite thing about Quinn's kit. Her blind. It's exactly what she needed. You know what I need? I need lifesteal, because I can't have another close call like that. I want to stay fed forever. Okay. God, girl problems. I feel bad for you, son, but I got 99 problems and their vein ain't one. I have so much CS. Vayne has 58 CS. I have 120. Yo, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. No! Kill them all. Kill the squishies. Kill them all. No. No! Vayne, get out of here. No! Dagnabbit.
The fools just keep coming.
They got me. They got me! Baron's up soon. Told you I needed lifesteal.
Turret destroyed.
It's the League of Noms. Freaking bird. Hate you, Valor. Useless feathered bone. Well, to be fair.
Turret
Wow, I'm
destroyed.
both working one back.
I have 3 whole items. And almost a bloodthirster. I'm only a little fed.
If at first you do not succeed, please tell me what it is.
Nope.
Stick to the plan, Val.
Bop. Holy cow, they're everywhere. Ow. Stop that. Not nice. 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 Like, not even when they set up for it, they can't get anything on me. I'm just too good. Oh. Why are they focusing me? Not even that fed, really.
Okay then.
Yeah. That was interesting.
Turret destroyed.
That's pretty brutal. You know what? I have a plan. It involves... Okay. This one? Okay. Alright. Ready? Alright, I'm on my way.
Turret destroyed.
Oh no, here comes Hackareem.
Fight me, Heckman.
Yo,
Fight me, Heckman.
yo, you ready? Ready?
No, I want to 1v1 him.
No. There, okay, let's go top. Let's go. Alright, let's got this. Alright, you ready? Ready? Ready?
I'm going to get dragged.
Alright. Dang it. Gotta see something amazing. Go ahead, do dragon. Get it! Next we do Baron.
I got sated, GG.
Oh boy. As if it wasn't already GG with a fed Quinn and cat.
We win. GG.
Big Bird.
Slain an enemy. Your ally got a double kill.
I became Big Bird.
Big Bird.
Inhibitor destroyed.
That's my strat. You gotta be intimidating. Just went Big Bird mode. Ah! Ah! Help me, Brom!
Inhibitor destroyed.
Huh, huh. Gotta live that Big Bird life.
They're so scared to fight me.
I'm like this giant titan and then I throw Valor and he's like tiny. It's like bah, 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 bah.
Stop being so scared to fight.
Yo, here comes death. Holy cow. Get knocked up forever. Can I Big Bird? Oh, I'm so close. Only a few seconds. Oh, no wonder this Katarina's so good. She was gonna be Vader, too, last game. Okay. I got about 10 seconds before Big Bird. Don't end. Don't end. Don't end. Okay, good. I want to Big Bird somebody. Hey, Echo. Big Bird! Oh! Everyone, heal! Well, that was easy. Big Bird.